Hello. I'm Tamara in the Tax Doula with today's tax tip. So, today's tax tip is again hot from the IRS, and it's about your electronic options for paying any taxes due. And when you use these electronic options, it helps you to avoid penalties on or interest on the taxes owed. So, I'm just going to share them here with you directly from the IRS. So, the first one is direct pay. And that means that you can have them take it directly out of your savings or your checking account. So there's no fees or registration. You can go online and you can do that directly with the IRS. Then they have something called the IRS To Go mobile app, and it's an official mobile app from the IRS. It allows you to check your refund status, make a payment, and find free tax preparation assistance, as well as sign up for tax tips and more. So that's IRS To Go mobile app. Then they have something called the Electronic Funds Withdrawal, EFW, and this lets taxpayers file and pay electronically from a bank account when using tax preparation software. So that's something that you would do with someone like me if you're working with a tax professional, or if you're filing using your own tax prep software. You know how when you get to that point where you need to make a payment, you allow the system to, you put in your information and you allow the system to withdraw from your account that payment. The next one they have is called the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. And you have to actually enroll in this. You can do it online or you can do it by phone. And the number is 1-800-555-4477, or you can go online and find it at the IRS website. And then there's finally the debit or credit card and digital wallet. And you'd have to go online, again, go online to the IRS, or you can do it by phone or with a mobile device and through any IRS authorized payment processor. Now, what you want to be careful of, because scams are out there, and I talked about scams in an earlier tax tip. If anyone is calling you and saying that you owe money to the IRS, or even your state finance department, you want to just hang up. If they're sending you a text message, you want to delete it, don't open it. If you're getting an email, ignore it, because again, that is not how the IRS operates. No one's going to call you and tell you that you owe money. If you want to make any of these payments, the best thing that you can go do is go to the IRS website, and that would be irs.gov. And you can just look up their ways, electronic options, and make those payments. So those are my tax tips. Those are my tax tips for today, how to make electronic payments directly to the IRS to save you penalties and interest and late fees. I'm Tamara, the Tax Doula. Take care.